Build in silence. People don't know what to attack. The sooner you figure out which chairs don't belong at your table, the more peaceful your meals become. You will lose people in your lifetime, and that's fine. Anything you lose by being real and honest, you never had it in the first place. Don't be afraid to follow your heart, because if you don't, the cost is spending the rest of your life wishing you did. Stop being afraid of what could go wrong and start getting excited about what could go right. Everything ends up working out in the end, just sometimes. It ends up even better than you've imagined. It's time to go to war with your old self, to create your
10,
new one.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Traveling at nearly 17,000 miles an hour.
When young people go to public schools, they will not learn to grow rich. They learn how to be poor. I'll give you an example. You live in capitalism, but they don't teach you how to become financially independent, how to invest, how to produce. They don't teach you to be producers. They teach you to be consumers. They don't teach you what money is, who creates money, who creates inflation, the reserve banks. They don't teach you how politics really works or how lobbying works. You won't learn it in school. Finally, they don't teach you how to organize yourself and others. They want sheep, not wolves. They want followers, not leaders.
Still round the corner there may wait a new road or a secret gate.